Hi guys, and welcome back. In my last video entry I showed you how I made my own MBC1 logic Gameboy cartridge, but that wasn't the only feature of that cartridge. It was also a flash cartridge. So here I'm testing it out, and I've used it with my cartridge dumper. I'll show you that in a bit. So right now I'm testing a game that I just burned onto the flash card. Now, for those of you who are familiar, this is the game Trip World, which is quite a famous game. Although I haven't actually played this game, so I just tried it out, and so here it is, working on a DIY MBC1 logic flash card. So far there were no glitches in the game, nothing unusual. So here I'm gonna show you how I do it. So my cartridge dumper or flasher uses a software that is available online for download. This is the GB Cart Flasher version 1.1. So here I'm erasing the flash memory on the cartridge. So now it's essentially blank. Now the maximum that the cartridge can handle is 512 kilobytes. Games that have no save. So here we're flashing the cartridge with a new game. Not a new game, another game. So there we are. It's successful. So we will be testing the cartridge on the modded Gameboy DMG. I do have a video on how I modded this Gameboy. If you're interested, I'll put it on a card up on the upper right hand side of this video. So here is Rockman World 5. I won't be playing this, or rather I won't be showing this to you, but I'm just showing that the cartridge works. So this is the cartridge flasher I use. It's called the Flash Boy. I bought it online. I believe it's made in China. It's quite expensive, so I'm looking into making my own. So if you enjoyed this video, please click like, leave a comment, share, subscribe if you haven't yet, and stay tuned for my next video. So with that, stay safe, and as always, enjoy.